Well, hey friends, welcome back. I am so excited, and if you're new, thanks for stopping by today. You're so welcome, and I appreciate you so much. Well, as you can see, I created a beautiful shower curtain DIY wall art. I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride with me to show you how I created this, because I even made my own wood frame. So guys, I'm in Lowe's. I'm picking up some wood. I'm gonna get two 8-foot 1x2s for only $3.65. They will cut the wood for you in the store for free. So all told, I only paid $7.30 for this with tax, a little over $8. Now, what they don't do is they don't miter the ends in the store. I do have a miter box and a saw, but the hubby wasn't feeling good, so I went ahead and made it myself. So as you can see, I'm just going to be joining these two ends together, making sure that they are even together and that they're adjacent to each other. And now I'm just going to add in about 4 or 5 staples. I was thinking about maybe using one of those finishing nails that you would use for like hanging a picture or something, but I didn't even need those, and I will show you why. Once I basically stapled one side in the corner, like I said, you want the wood to be evenly and just adjacent to each other. When you pick it up, you'll see there's a little gap on the bottom. I'm just going to show you that now, where you want your frame to be really sturdy to be able to hold that fabulous wall art. So I just flipped it over and gave it about 4 or 5 more of those staples on the other side. And guys, that's all it took to make it nice and sturdy for my wall art. So as you can see, I'm making a really large piece of art. So guys, I went ahead and laid it out on my floor with some tarp to protect the floor, and basically did the same process with each corner. And what I'm making, the size of mine's is actually going to be 3 feet by 5 feet, which is absolutely huge. That's 36 by 60 inches if you were to get it as a canvas. But the great thing is that because I'm making my own wood frame, I'm saving about $100. So now on to the shower curtain. You just want to get one from any store, but I ordered mine off Amazon, doing Amazon Prime for only $12.09. The same shower curtain now is $17.09, so you'll still have a great savings. You just want to iron out the wrinkles, so when you wrap your canvas, it's really taut and has no slack. Now I'm just going to basically start stapling on one side. You want to get your frame where you want to, show off your design. And when you do start, you staple right in the middle of the frame, and then you go to the exact opposite side in the middle of the frame also. Pull it as tight or taut as you can, so there's no slack, and basically that's how you want to form your frame. And you want to repeat that process. Try not to go down one side, but just slowly but surely going by opposite sides and pulling it taut to make sure there's no slack, so when you hang it up, it's going to be a nice smooth look to your framed art. And that's basically that's all there is to it, and it will turn out fabulous, and you're gonna save so much money. But guys, while I'm stapling this, I have to say I cannot take credit for this. I was inspired to make this gorgeous wall art by none other than the fabulous, stunningly beautiful Shalomi from the glamorous Penny Pincher. Guys, I love her so much. I even love her crew, the Dream Team. Oh my goodness, you gotta check out her channel. And guys, her channel basically shows you how to decorate and design your home on a budget. But guys, she just makes it look so fabulous. She has the most exquisite taste, and when she designs or does decor, or even doing like rehabbing or something, it's always so flawless and incredible. You have to go check out her channel. So I'm going to leave her channel link on the bottom in the description bar below, and I will also leave the link for the original video that inspired me to make this. She did one of these shower curtain DIYs and made a wall art, and guys, once again, it is absolutely incredibly beautiful and flawless, and it looks so high-end, and that's what her channel is about. So I just want to say a quick thank you, Shalomi, for always being my guardian angel here and YouTube, always being so encouraging and of making yourself available with me and other smaller YouTubers. And I just appreciate you so much. And I know I can't thank you for your kindness, but guys, don't forget to go check out her channel, and please let her know that I sent you Lady Cinnamon and show her some love. She's just an incredible person, and you'll be so inspired by what she has to offer on her lifestyle channel. So guys, back to the DIY. So Shalomi made this look so easy when she was making her corners. Guys, I did this and I watched her video about 10 more times and still had a time trying to figure out how to make a neat corner. But guys, if you stick with it, it'll turn out neat just like mine did. So yeah, but the struggle was real. The struggle was real. So I got some tacky glue from the craft corner, some of this gold foil left over from a previous DIY, and a brush. And just to bring it up a notch, basically what she did was she added or embellished it with some beautiful glitter and crushed glass and such, and really brought her wall art to another level. And it looks so high end. It looks like it was commissioned and just beautiful. So that's what I'm trying to do. And I'm using the gold foil to sort of bring it and make it look more high end. And I'm doing this by applying some of this tacky glue, waiting for a few seconds, and basically about 30 seconds, and then just going ahead and applying my gold foil. If you want to do this, you don't have to. It's optional. It's up to you, because this looks absolutely amazing the way it looks right now. Like, it's just amazing. So basically I did this, you know, just where I thought it should go. It's random. There's no rhyme or reason to it if you want to add this to it, but that's basically how I did it. And what I'm going to do is just place it in different areas where I think it would look nice, and that's it. So guys, as you can see, I added it in several different areas. I know it looks a little cattywampus right now, but once it dries, as you can see, you're just going to take a soft brush and brush off the excess, and it'll leave you with where you want the fall to look. And guys, does this not look amazing? I'm obsessed with how pretty this is. I absolutely love it. Like I said, the foil is an option. You can use glitter, you can use whatever you want to embellish it, or you don't have to embellish it at all, because it will look absolutely fabulous. As you can see, I styled it out with some sconces, and I just love the way it looks. So guys, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps our channels, and it helps other people find our channels on YouTube. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell twice so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. You're so appreciated. Please don't forget to go check out Shalomi's channel, The Glamorous Penny Pincher, to get some great inspiration just like I did. Guys, she has so many things on there. I'm sure you'll be inspired, and before you know it, you'll be trying to make these creations also. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.